I'm Dale Kling, and this is my lightning bug. As you can see, I put the lightning bolt on there as kind of a logo. It's a 1969 Volkswagen Bug that I've converted into an electric vehicle. Right here's the motor. Take out your gas motor and put in this NetGain Industries Impulse 9 along with the Curtis PMC on-road controller. It's good for up to 500 amps for 2 minutes, which is plenty for this size of vehicle. You can also see, here's your accelerator. Basically just a 5-ohm pop box. You have your big DC fuse in case something that you don't want to happen happens. You can blow that fuse. And here's your relay contactor that turns the whole system on and off. It's a 96 volt system that I'm running here with lead acid batteries. 5 of the batteries I have covered under here in the aluminum. There's 5 batteries in the back, 2 under the rear seat, and I have 2 here. I gotta keep her going slow. I'm just coasting, there's no amp draw, you see there. So leaving home don't draw very many amps, going back about 250 to 300.